Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about a awesome book which will help you to crack IMO, that is International Mathematics Olympiad of SOF Foundation. So this is a school library pack and it is not available in the market. I get this book from an old bookseller. Okay. So this book contain all the question papers from 1 to 12th, and the pattern of the question paper of each class will be the same, only the numeric values will be changed. So this video will help you to crack IMO, and there is a bonus tip for you in the last of the video. So watch the video till end without skipping the video. This video will be very important. Okay, let's start the video. So I will move to directly to the 9th and 10th class, because most of you who are watching this video will be of 9th and 10th class only. Okay, so let me move to you. This is 9th class. So first of all, I will just explain you a little bit guidelines for candidate. This is very important, don't skip this part. Logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning, everyday mathematics, and achiever section. These are the 4 sections in which your question paper will be divided. Okay, and logical reasoning will have 15 questions. Your mathematical reasoning will have 20 questions. Everyday mathematics will have 10 questions, and achiever section will have 5 questions. Okay, achiever section, each question will be of 3 marks, and remaining sections question will be of 1 mark. This is a very important point. You have to focus mainly of this achiever section, and remaining part I will make easy for you. Okay, so this is logical reasoning first part, that comprises of 15 questions. So there are logical reasoning question, means mental ability related question. These questions are not related to your mathematics, these are related to your mental ability. Okay, so I have uploaded lots of video on this logical reasoning part. Like if you see this 8 question, this is a question related to dice reasoning. I have uploaded a video on dice reasoning on this channel. You go to my channel and see this video, and if you want the notification of these logical reasoning questions, logical reasoning tricks and tips, so it is available on my channel, and you can subscribe this channel to get more such interesting logical reasoning videos. Okay, so basically I will tell you how the question came here. Okay, this is a question related to blood relation, like if the person who is standing with me is my father's sons, like that question. Okay, I'm just giving example, don't take this question seriously. Okay, Venn diagram is a very important type of question. These are easy question only. Like here given you 3 relationship: honesty, intelligence, and aptitude. So you have to select one of the Venn diagram to represent these 3. Okay, these type of question came in the examination, and this is a very important type of question, that is missing number we have to find, and this is easy only, you can try it on your own. And this is a very famous question of counting the figures and lines. So all these questions come under mental ability, that is logical reasoning. I have uploaded some videos related to NTSC also on my channel. You can see that video if you are NTSC aspirant, and if you want to take admission in Akash Institute, I have uploaded class 9th and 10th books and one JEE advanced book, so you can watch that video also. So this is logical reasoning part, and let me move to our next section, that is mathematical operation, mathematical reasoning. Okay, so it comprises of 20 question, I think so. Yes, 20 question. 20 question is 20 question. So this is the biggest section of the examination. So there are 20 question, and the question will be simple only, based upon your NCRTs, all that, and the level of the question will be little bit higher than the NCRT. You can refer RD Sharma or any reference book which has a level above NCRT. Okay, let me see this question. This is a very easy question. You have to multiply this part with √5 minus √3 up and down. Okay, you will get the solution, and this is a very famous question. I hope most of you who are watching this video will able to solve this question. So this is very simple question, belong to polynomial chapter, or I think algebra. Let me move to our next section, that is everyday mathematics. Okay, this is the one of the important topic in that question paper. So it contains all the basic questions, like if you go to a market, you purchase that or this, and the total cost, like that question, and if 3 men works in a field and 1 left, and then what will be the total work, like that question. So easy question, and believe me that all the question will be of the same pattern, only the numerical value will change. Like I explain you this 8 question, no, the 8 question will be there, and only the numeric value will be changed, in it will be of dice only. Okay, so if you go through this paper, your like if you expect that I am 70% sure that I can crack the paper, so your percentage will be increased to 90. You will be 90% sure if you solve this paper. Okay, so this is a good point. I explain you that this type of question is very important. A man, a woman, and a boy can complete a job in 3, 4, 12 days respectively. How many boys must assist one man and one woman to complete the job in 1/4 of the day? ठीक है, तो this question come under time and work topic. So this is a very important question. I mark this as important. Okay, IMP. This is achiever section. It comprises of 5 question of 3 marks, means 15 marks. Okay, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. These are the question based upon your mental strength, mathematical strength. All of these have a group and come here. I am now in 10th class, so I am able to solve this question, but when you solve this question you will face some difficulty. Okay, the total marks will be, this paper comprises of 60 marks and 50 questions. This is because achiever section has each question of 3 marks. Okay, so I have cracked the IMO twice, in 6th and 7th, and then I transferred to another school. In that IMO is not there, so I am not able to write. So let's move to our next topic, class 10th. Class 10th, all the same logical reasoning. You can watch this question. This is a very interesting type of question. You definitely try this question. Pause the video and try. And this question, this is a very easy question. If you observe carefully, first the circle is there, here, and then here, then here, then here, and now it will be here. Okay, this A option is correct because in all these circle is here, but not here. Okay, I hope you are able to understand. This is called figure problem solving questions. Okay, and this question is based upon the mirror image concept. I have uploaded a video of water image. You can watch that, and in the coming future I will upload water image related question, also blood relation concept also. So you subscribe my channel to get that all notification. This is figure matrix question also I will try to upload, and this is mathematical reasoning. So I think this question is based upon circle sector. Yes, circle sector, areas related to circle sector. I think this is in 9th class also. Okay, I think this paper is not that much tough. Okay, and TSC is more tougher than this paper, as it is a government examination. So that's all for this video, and now I will tell you that bonus point. Okay, I am going to drop a PDF link in the description, so that if you are in first, second, or any class, you can watch that video, that PDF, and in that all this question paper will be available. I have explained you, and just I have given a clip of how the examination will be conducted and how will be the pattern. So this pattern is very important. If you follow the pattern, you will definitely crack that examination. Believe me that IMO is very easy test. Okay, so that's about this video. Just see this. This is the pattern, how you have to solve the instruction for using the answer sheet. Okay, don't do like this, or you have to make a circle, dark circle, make the circle dark. Okay, use HB pencil or your blue or black ball pen. Don't use gel pen, because if some water fall on it, it will become, maybe this computer will not able to detect that answer. Okay, so best of luck for your examination, and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.